3 years of disruption through health and geopolitical disturbances have changed global shipping and supply chains, and there's no turning back the clock. The cold storage industry and how it manages the delivery of foods from growers and manufacturers to supermarkets has risen to the challenge.
It's been a massive swing from not only our import customers, but also our local manufacturers.
Americold Logistics Regional Managing Director, Andrew Mates, says the food and grocery industry has gone from a just-in-time approach to one of just-in-case.
We're seeing everybody hold far more inventory than what they've ever held before, just in case something like this does happen again and they can better serve their end customer.
Americold Logistics is a global organisation focusing on the storage and distribution of chilled and frozen foods. It is meeting the challenges of a new world through innovation and automation. The focus is on incremental change, especially when it comes to meeting environmental commitments.
Let's say we load an average of 80 cartons onto a pallet. If we can find a way to make that 82, then every 40 pallets that we send out the door, that's one pallet that we didn't need to build. The benefit of that is once we do that 24 times, that's one truck that we don't need to send out onto the road.
Having a large warehousing footprint also enables incremental improvement through how product is shelved and shared.
What it actually does is allow us to leverage our long-reach histories with the Australian supermarket businesses and allow food manufacturers to sit in the same facility or on the same site as what the ultimate end customer is and take kilometres off the road and CO2 out of the atmosphere.
The real challenge in this industry, of course, is cooling costs, both monetary and environmentally.
Our facility uses 75% of its power on the refrigeration equipment, which makes it extremely expensive compared to an ambient facility.
Americold Logistics has made a huge commitment to solar power at its Laverton facility in Melbourne. 2,000 panels produce a megawatt of power, removing 2,100 tonnes of carbon each year in the process. Similar panels are being put in place at other facilities around the country, along with rainwater tanks. There's also LED lighting, variable speed drives on refrigeration units to control power use, rapidly operating doors on the factory floor, all bringing improvements on power consumption and reduction in costs. The company shares the benefits of keeping an eye on sustainability with the wider community.
As part of its demand response program, the plant often turns its power off for a couple of hours at night. It doesn't affect the stored product. What it does do is provide a boost to the power grid, and that helps prevent any potential outages in the wider community.
The other challenge in meeting the just-in-case needs of wholesalers and retailers is resources, people. To help attract and retain people, they've established a leadership academy.
Firstly, it builds the base skills of our emerging leaders, which is critical, but most importantly, we get that group working on common workplace problems, such as emissions, environment, retention of associates and so forth. So it's real life problem solving.
Commitment to people, to customers, to the environment. For the food and grocery industry, improvement in all areas, one step at a time, marks the road forward.
What I'm most proud of at Americold is how we connect with our customers. So customer service is definitely key, but connecting with our customers to make sure that we are incrementally improving their businesses and our businesses ultimately makes us a better partner and a value to their supply chain.